Here's a short video on how to schedule a report within Zoho Sales IQ. So you might want to monitor the visitors that come to your website, and we can do that within Zoho Sales IQ. While on your live view page, if you go to the settings cog, click on that, go to the automate menu, scroll down to schedule report, and here we can add our report. For example, you might want to monitor all visitors, which you can pick from this menu here. And you have the option of an attachment type. You can set the date and time to schedule the report to go out, and of course, pick your recipients. You've got the option to customize the template that goes out here as well, and click on schedule, and that will schedule that report. There is another way to get to this screen. If I go to this tab here, you're in your live view. If you scroll down to visitors, click on these three dots here, and you click on schedule, it will take you to the same page.